No ifs, ands, or to buts. Let's look at this again. You'll see what I mean, especially if you're painting the exterior. Like if you're painting the exterior, there's no way you're going to get up in there perfectly. I don't care what kind of painter you are. There's just absolutely no way. But can you see, after the trim is off, after this weather stripping is off, you can paint this green from here over nice and easy. And you can paint you see, there's no way, if you're just painting the inside and painting this white, there's no way you're going to hit that or not hit that, you know. And speaking of painting, if you're painting, they're going to paint the inside of this garage, which means they said they're going to paint the inside of this. Well, that also means the edge of the door, the side edge, just to the exterior side. Here's the exterior. Don't forget to paint this edge, okay? This is part of the door, as well as, look on the side. Okay, now they've painted green, okay? So they're not gonna hit that. But they are, when they paint this, let's look at this some more. When they paint this on the inside, they're gonna paint this side of the door and this edge, okay? Then, even with this door closed, they're going to paint this door casing, and they're not only going to paint that, they're going to go all the way over, because this is still white on the inside, you see. From here over to there is white. That's why you're taking this trim off, this rubber gasket, okay? That's your weather stripping. I like how that works, because it just pushes against there. You see how it kind of folds. It's kind of like a V. So when that's notched in there, there's a V there, and then the door pushes on there. There's a little bit of give there. But that's how it seals. Okay, then I'll take these strike plates off too before they paint. But see, you do that, and I spent less than 5 minutes taking that one off to that garage, on this garage door, okay? Because they're painting the inside of this and the outside of it. I just don't want the painters to hit it. And I'll show you what they've already done to one, if you want to watch the last little bit of this. But I told them on some interior doors, I told them to pull it off. Oh, he was afraid he was going to rip it, he said. I'll get you set up outside. How about get you set up outside? Yeah. There you go. Here's your putty knife. If you got just a little thin one, let's see. I got a crummy, flat one. See, that one doesn't have that one's got so much flex. It's a little bit harder to do it with this one. Oh, wow. Because it's so flexible. And so I'm going to use my stiff one. See how flexible this one is? See this one here? There's hardly any flex because look how thick it is. Look how thin that edge is. That's why that one's a good one for certain things. But if you're going to use your thin one, it might be a little bit trickier, see? But you can still do it. Let's see if you got a flat screwdriver. That's going to take you a little bit longer. I can see. So I'm just going to use my stiff one right here. See, look at this one. The bottom of it was all smashed. got wedged in the door somehow. And I might be able to get it back into place once I have it reinstalled. But you know, if I can't, I could go to the store and buy another one of these. They come, I don't know how long. This is a 8-foot tall door, so they come at least 8 foot tall. You can buy them at hardware stores. Yeah, you can buy pieces of this. If I wanted to, I could cut one little piece off, you know, 1.5 feet, and put one piece down, chop it off with my snips. You know, my 10 snips. These things are almost as old as I am. Look how rusty they are, but they still cut. Wisp, baby. Oh, you know what? These say Sears. I don't even know if Sears sells them anymore. They used to sell these to where if they got dull, you could take them back and Sears would give you a new pair. They still do that, I think, with tape measures, with Craftsman tape measures. But I don't think for tin snips anymore. Too bad. Oh, I got paint all over my video camera. I'll have to wipe it off because I've been in there watching them paint and stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to take this side off. And that just kind of rolls over like that. Take the rest off. I'm not left-handed, but let's see if I can do it left-handed so I don't have to move the camera. Is that hard? It's not that hard. You can do that. Okay, so that's the right side. And so just for kicks, because I can, I know which side is on the right. This one's right and the other one's left. I'm just going to take some tape here. You don't have to do this part, but I do. I'm just going to put right. I'm going to not tape it too much together so that way I can see what I've just done as I pull it apart later. Left. I can hold that top one together. And I can write side door. Because see, I've done 3 of these and I want to make sure I remember which one goes where. The other one I wrote main door, you know, for garage door. I'm just going to pull out enough here. And I'm just going to take a little piece here. And I'm going to tape a piece down here. Voila. Okay, done. Now I'm going to take that. Now I'm going to put it over front. Oh, it's lunchtime for the painters, and look at that. They brought their own microwave to heat up their stuff. Nice idea. Okay, so I'm going to take these over into the other garage where I'm storing everything else. And that's where I'm going to put them. Okay? And when they get all done painting, I'll put those back in.
That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.